there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute chocolate cake. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the cute chocolate cake. I'm starting with some strawberries. Let's draw some lips. Now I'm drawing some seeds. Wow! Now let's draw the cake. This is melting chocolate toppings. Now I'm drawing big eyes. Now I'm using my black marker pen to color inside its eyes. For the chocolate, I'm using my brown pencil. I'm using my red pencil for the strawberries. Now I'm using my green pencil for the lips of the strawberries. For the cake, I'm using my yellow pencil. Wow, it's looking really cute. Thank you so much for watching.